And so, but that's where too, something to think about for everybody in here as, the off season, once you get through extensions, this is a good time to bring in 2023 business. And so you've got a couple months left in the year that you can actually make moves on people. I hate getting new clients in, January or February. And, it's like, oh crap, you could have done this, could have done that. So I try to gather up my new clients October, November, December, so that we can still make moves by the end of the year. But any new client I get, I'm throwing them on this quarterly, and I'm charging them the day they want me to do the taxes next year. I charge them now, and so that way I get paid to review everything, because it takes a lot of time. And so
that way they don't change their mind. They're already paid.
Mm-hmm. I don't know if you've ever ran into this. I have that, you think you got this new client, everything else, you spend a lot of time in the off season on them, either strategizing or planning, or even just reviewing their old stuff, trying to find, different ways or something the other person did wrong. You're talking, 3, 4, 5 hours. And then they don't, then they meet somebody else in January that's, this or that or the other thing. And then they end up, not coming in. And so all that time is lost. So any new client, I'm pre-qualifying them and making them, sign an engagement letter and fill out a credit card form and start charging them immediately. Then if they change their mind by tax season, to be like, hey, I tell them there's no cancellation period. I'm not going to charge you for the year if you try to cancel or anything. But if they want to go somewhere else or end up sticking with their old guy, I've had that happen too, even though they're so happy they get cold feet or something. But at least I still got paid the last 2 quarters of the year.
Yeah, you get paid for what you have done,
Exactly. And so why haven't I been doing this from the beginning? I don't know, because I didn't. Because none of us do. Yeah, none of us do. This whole quarterly billing thing, honestly, it wasn't even around 20 years ago or 15 years ago or even 10 years ago.